I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Heatmap. This powerful visual tool offers an immediate snapshot of market activity. It helps you quickly grasp which assets are performing well and which are lagging. You'll see a grid where each box represents an asset, and its color and size convey crucial information about its recent price movement and market capitalization. To begin, locate the heat map under the Screeners section on TradingView. Once open, you'll notice various filtering options at the top. You can customize your view by selecting specific exchanges, industries, or even market capitalization ranges. Pay close attention to the color scheme. Green signifies gains, red indicates losses, and the intensity of the color shows the percentage change. Understanding the visual cues is key. A vibrant green box means a substantial price increase, while a deep red box indicates a significant drop. The physical size of each rectangle on the heat map is directly proportional to the asset's market capitalization, or sometimes volume, depending on your settings. Therefore, a large, brightly colored box represents a major player experiencing a significant move. For advanced analysis, try combining the heat map with other technical indicators on your charts. This can help confirm trends or spot divergences. You can also use the heat map to identify sector rotation, where money is moving from one industry to another. Experiment with different time frames, like 1 day or 1 week, to gain varied perspectives on market momentum and make more informed trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.